kind of like mapping analysis, if you will, because obviously there's different IDs for each of these segments. So like Snowflake is structured very differently than Salesforce. But once you have that, right, you can start to see, I mean, we were seeing like you can see if a company's, new product is actually being used or like why it's dropping, right? Even if people are getting charged for it, now you have a holistic view that yes, you're getting charged now, but the churn rate or like the churn risk, sorry, is actually very high with these folks, right? So like would be a good time to reach out to these, or wow, really looks like this customer segment is using this product significantly more. Like why is that, right? That should be a prompt for not only sales but CS to really understand what is the value of that feature or that pricing plan that allows that customer segment to use it so much better. Like what is that pain point that's being solved, right? And so when you think about Maca, it kind of is made to be kind of like a supercharger for data teams and execs that want to find some of these answers, right? And so if you think about the way that data teams are structured, especially as growing companies, you'll probably have folks that are structured around, helping RevOps, helping sales, right? Looking at kind of like that customer data. Then you'll have folks that are working on, strategic finance and really helping the finance team on, okay, how do we think about, pricing from this standpoint, but not so much on like the customer basis. Or you have folks that are literally data scientists just working on Snowflake, right? Or just these different aspects, and getting that holistic view is really difficult. So I think a good way to think about it is like kind of the way that Slack brought communication across all these different teams in a really easy way. We're basically trying to do that, but from the data aspect, right? But like really focusing on revenue as that umbrella.